It's cool if you could hear the music I'm listening to. I remember a long, I don't know, a couple of years ago, a year and a half ago, you could, run the camera and the radio at the same time, but I'm not listening right now. No. Yeah, it's from here to eternity. Hold on a second. I forgot to do that. But yeah, they got a lot of shots of cars in this movie. Yeah, I don't know, about 58, 59 was the movie. Yeah, you see a lot of, that's a 58 Thunderbird there she's driving. The first four-seat Thunderbird, 1958. But it's been a lot of fun to watch, while I listen to music. All right, done. Yeah.